Ta-da! Hello everyone, it's me! Today, we're going to visit the aquarium together. Look, there are so many types of fish in the aquarium. Oh, the fish! Where they swim off to, friends? Let's find them. Oh, look, we have many animals, but they are missing a puzzle piece, everyone. Look, the pieces are all mixed up here. Let's put them back correctly. I need your help. This piece is red. It goes here. This piece has yellow-brown spots. This spot? Not right. How about this spot? Not right. And this spot? Hooray! A green puzzle piece. Oh, it belongs to the crocodile. And the purple piece? Does anyone know the spot for the purple piece? Terrific! Wait a second. Look! It's the seahorse in the aquarium. Amazing! Let's put the seahorse in the aquarium. Great! Seahorses are the only fish that swim upright. They have a unique shape that makes them look like tiny horses. Seahorses also have a long tail. They often cling to seaweed or coral. This helps them stay in one spot and avoid being washed away by the current. Did you know that male seahorses carry the babies? The male seahorse has a special pouch where the female lays eggs, and he carries the eggs until they hatch. Seahorses can move their fins very fast. They use the small dorsal fin on their back to propel themselves through the water. Oh, it's a jellyfish! Let's put it in here. Splendid! What color is the next piece, friends? Oh, it's dark blue. Where is its spot? Ah, it's the right dark blue. Ta-da! That's right. Aha! This is a shark. Terrific! Another shark has appeared. Here it is. Sharks have existed for a very long time, even before dinosaurs. Sharks never run out of teeth. They can grow and lose thousands of teeth throughout their lives. They don't sleep like humans. Not all sharks are dangerous. Some species, like the nurse shark, are gentle and harmless. Sharks have a super sensitive sense of smell. They can detect a single drop of blood in the ocean from a very long distance. And this piece is orange. Look, this is a lobster. The final piece is here. Let's put it in. Hooray! Wait a second, we have another dolphin. Oh, it's the dolphin in our aquarium. Let's put the dolphin in the spot, everyone. Wonderful. Dolphins are very intelligent animals and are quick learners. Dolphins can perform tricks and communicate with each other by making sounds and whistles. Also, dolphins can swim very fast. They love jumping out of the water and doing acrobatics. Dolphins also live in pods like a big family. Look at this, everyone! What do we have here? That's right, it's an octopus! Let's put the pieces in their spots, everyone! This is the head, this spot! Ah, that's right, and these are its legs! Put them in here! Another octopus leg piece, friends! The final piece? Let's put it in position, everyone! Amazing! An octopus! Cheese! Look! It's an octopus! Let's put it in our aquarium, friends! Well done! Did you know octopuses are extremely smart? An octopus can solve puzzles, open jars, and even use tools. Octopuses can change color like a chameleon. An octopus's legs can regenerate. If an octopus loses a leg, it can grow back over time. An octopus has up to 3 hearts and 9 brains. Especially, their blood is blue, everyone. Wow, we have many colors. I wonder if there's something inside here. Aha, they look like islands in the sea. And now let's see what's inside. This is the green island. Oh, it's so soft and smooth. And very nice, everyone. Oh, there's nothing inside. All right, let's go to another island. Yellow? Okay, I hope there's something inside. The yellow sand is very soft. Wait, I just touched something. Hooray! I found it! It's a clam! Superb! Clam. Where should I put this clam puzzle piece? Clams have 2 shells like valves that can open and close. They use their strong muscles to shut tight when they feel threatened. Also, clams can burrow into the sand and mud to hide from predators and can even filter water to find food. 2 more islands left. What color is this, everyone? Blue! Fantastic! But it has nothing. Don't worry, my friend. Let's look at this lovely pink island. Pink with lovely things. Aha! I touched something. It's our starfish. Let's put it in its spot. Starfish can be found in many different colors, including red, orange, blue, and purple, helping them blend into their surroundings. A starfish has 5 arms. Some species can have more, up to 40 arms. If they lose an arm, they can grow a new one. And sometimes a brand new starfish can grow from a single arm. Look at this, everyone! We have so many fish and ocean animals. Let's put them in the right spots. A redfish. Where does it go, friends? This spot? Oh no, none of them fit. And here? Not right. Aha! That's right! A greenfish. He is here. And another jellyfish? Put it in here. Exactly. And here is a clam. It goes here. A seahorse. So, this spot. Well done. A crab. And is it here? No, my mistake. Fits to a T. I have a starfish. My mistake. Not right. Also not right. Hooray! Oh, that's a pink fish. My mistake. This spot is correct. I have a turtle. Put him in here. That's right. And a dolphin. This spot. Hooray! This is a blue whale. This spot. My mistake. This spot is correct. And the last fish, back to your spot. Hooray! Look, everyone. Look, look, look. That is a whale. Let's put the whale in its spot. Whales are the largest animals in the world. Some are even bigger than a school bus. Whales spray water from the top of their heads through a hole called a blowhole. Whales can hold their breath for up to 90 minutes. And some whale species sing songs to communicate with each other underwater. Some whale species can live for many years. And although whales are massive, they are excellent swimmers and can jump very high out of the water. Look, we also have a turtle. Turtle. Put it in here. Exactly. Turtles are one of the oldest living animals on Earth. They have existed since the time of the dinosaurs. Turtles carry their homes on their backs. The turtle shell protects them from danger, just like armor. Some turtle species can hold their breath underwater for hours. That's how they swim and search for food. Turtles don't have teeth. They use their strong beaks to nibble food. Baby turtles hatch from eggs. After hatching, they rush to the ocean as fast as they can. Look at this, everyone! We have puzzle pieces! It's another animal! Let's put them together. I need your help. We should start with the headpiece and put it in this spot. Very good. We have 3 more pieces left, everyone. Put this piece in here. Wrong. How about this spot?
No.
It doesn't fit. And here? Brilliant. 1 more piece. Here it is. And hooray! This is the tail. Put it in here. Terrific. Do you know what animal this is? That's right. It's an angelfish. Oh, we have another angelfish. Let's put it in the aquarium. Great! Angelfish are very beautiful. They have many different vibrant colors and patterns. They are famous for their flat bodies and long fins, which help them glide smoothly through the water. Some species can adjust their colors, like a chameleon, to blend into their surroundings, helping them avoid predators. Oh, look! Those are other animals. What should we do with them? Aha! Let's put them in the right spots, everyone. A dolphin! This spot. Exactly. It's a starfish. I know its position. Exactly. This is a seahorse. Let's put it in here. Hooray! It's a crab. Put him in position. My mistake. Hooray! And here is our final animal. It's a squid. Wait a second. Look, those are puzzle pieces. another crab, and squid. Crab. That's great. Let the crab go back to its place. Crabs have 10 legs. They use their 2 big strong claws to find food. The 2 big strong claws also help the crab defend itself. Crabs walk sideways. Their legs are shaped to help them move easily both on land and in water. Crabs live in many places, underwater, on land, and even in trees, everyone. And here is the squid. Put the squid in its spot too. Squid, it's here. Great! When a squid feels scared or threatened, it releases a cloud of black ink to help it escape from predators. The black ink makes it hard for predators to see them, and the squid will swim away quickly. Did you know that a squid has 3 hearts? Squids can change color. Squids can swim very fast. They zoom through the ocean like rockets. Oh, look at this, everyone! Those are our sand piles! Let's see what's inside. What about this green spot? Nothing at all. Oh, this orange sand pile has nothing either. And the last sand pile? It's blue. And inside it? Hooray! Hooray! Look! We have a swordfish! Outstanding! Let's put the swordfish in its spot. Swordfish have long pointed snouts. Their mouths are very unique, like a sword. That is why they are named that. Swordfish use their mouths to hunt. Swordfish are full of sharp teeth that help them grip slippery fish and other prey. Swordfish have excellent eyesight, which helps them see clearly in the dark. This helps them hunt in deep waters where light is limited. Terrific! Everyone, look! We have completed the sea animal puzzle game together and learned so much about them. Wonderful! Thank you, and see you in other videos.